got replacement sets and I've got to return these. So, yep. This is going to be an unboxing video of this replacement set that I got for the set of a set of 50 Prestige Warm White ID normal functional green cable string lights. There's the front of the box, side of the box, back of the box. Actually, that's the front of the box. There's the side of it, back, side of it, and the bottom. And that's the front. I'm getting confused. Anyways, hopefully this set works. So here we go. Out they come. It's got this power supply, which there's the information sticker. These can be used indoors and outdoors, so hopefully these don't short out when I untangle them like last one did. Ooh, much better. Sadly, there was no incandescent sets left, so I had to go for added use instead. So, anyways, it's still a good set. Nice. Right, now I'm going to lay these across the floor. Alright, so here these are laid out across the floor. So that's what they look like. Much nice. It won't be incandescents in terms of looks, but these are better built than the incandescents, I guess, as well. So, yeah. There we are. Thanks for watching this video, and peace. Have a good one, guys.